if we think we can listen to personalities and that is going to deliver us, and personalities doesn't challenge satanic systems and doesn't challenge governments of kufr, doesn't challenge military might and gangsters and drug dealers and Muslim businessmen that launders money, Allah will never give us a makhraj. We see today in the world, and who is speaking out from the minbars and mihrabs? Muslims killing Muslims. Muslims killing Muslims that say there is no God but Allah. Muslims encouraging Muslims to kill Muslims who say there is no God but Allah. And you kill your brother and your sister and your children that believe in the final prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And you allow and you support and you listen to this nonsense where Muslims are killing Muslims that believes in Allah and Allah alone. And you kill someone that perform Hajj, that makes salah and gives zakah, and that's not oppressing anyone, and that's not selling drugs, and that's not raping our children, that believes in the unseen, that goes to Hajj, that goes with us to Safa and Marwa, and that goes to us on the plains of Arafah. And we can easily kill our Muslims. We say when this happens, Allah will not give us a mahraj. A mahraj will come. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلَهُ mahraj. For those who give the response to Allah through the Quran. Those people that follows isms, Allah will never release or never give a way out. For we need a mahraj. We need a way. So give your response to Allah. And everything people calls for, even if it's Christians or organizations that calls for a position of righteousness, the believers must endorse for Allah to deliver for us a mahraj. For those who call for the nationalizations of the mines, we endorse it not because of a political viewpoint. We endorse it because Allah has given the natural resources for mankind to live in peace, without starvation, without hunger, without poor, without being homeless, to share, to have plenty. Therefore we endorse the nationalization and the globalization of all the resources which Allah has given mankind. So when Allah delivers us, or when we strive to this mahraj, that we give our response to Allah. And in this we need to stand out and not follow personalities, but we listen to what Allah tells us. Therefore today, on the day of Eid, we the believers calls for the total destruction of the Saudi regime. They are part and parcel of kufr and satanic systems that is abusing their wealth and use it against Muslims, to kill Muslims under the instruction of Britain, France and Israel and Germany and all other systems of kufr. We need to be honest. It's only then Allah will bring about this mahraj. will recite the verses of وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَاقَ الْبَاطِلِ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا. Say, truth hath arise, falsehood shall perish. Falsehood is bound to perish by its own nature. Therefore we ask and we call, this ummah is in pain that the custodians of the Haramain must be taken off once and for all and forever from those crooks that claim to be the custodians of the Haramain. We need to endorse haqq. Allah will deliver us on this mahraj. And the custodians of the Haramain will be of those who love Allah, who will give their response to Allah. My brothers and sisters and beloved children in Islam, nothing is going to change unless and until وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. And for those who fear Allah, for those who love Allah and Allah alone, we have to start somewhere, and we have to start with us. If we are busy in zina and we want to talk about justice, nothing will come. If we are busy supporting organizations and movements and leadership that falsely or selectively implement the book of Allah, forget about this mahraj that the Muslims and the oppressed is looking for. To our mothers, we want to say today, in your wombs, the children was being created by Allah, being born. Being created, Allah used you. Your children is being destroyed today. We ask the believers and those who are embedded, bring your children to us. Rather give your children to us. Let we lead them to Allah. Let we prepare them to give their lives in struggles for Allah. Rather prepare them to fight in the cause of Allah. Prepare them to go to prison for Allah. Kufr is taking your children away from Allah.